Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about location of India. Especially location will be discussed by latitudes and longitudes. Location of India. So first of all take the earth in this is the equator which divides earth into two halves. It is the northern hemisphere, it is the southern hemisphere. And one longitude also divide earth into two halves, eastern hemisphere, western hemisphere. See here, India located in north part, in this part of the earth. And if you see longitudes, it is east part. Totally India located in the northeast part of the earth. To locate this India, we need to know about latitudes and longitudes. You might have known about these latitudes and longitudes. So in between which latitudes, in between which longitudes India located, we will see now. See, this is the India totally north latitudes. You see, southern part of the India is 8 degree 4 minutes. This is already, this is equator 0 degree longitude. So you take it as a approximately 8 degree 4 minute north latitude, because totally northern part. And here 37 degree 6 minutes. So approximately you take, this is a 8 means 37 degrees. 37 degree 6 minutes north. Totally north. In between these two northern part of the earth, India located. Now we will see longitudes. See longitudes. Here west part of the longitude 68 degree 7 minutes. It is also eastern longitudes. It is 0 means approximately you draw, this is the 68 degree 7 minutes east longitude, 68 degree 7 minutes. You see India, it is 97 degree 25 minutes. Take it as 97 degree 25 minutes. So in between these two longitudes, in between these two latitudes, India located. So the intersection of latitudes and longitudes formed grid. So this grid is used to locate the places. So in this grid, India is located. In this grid, India is located. Northeast part of the earth, India located. Very simple. India located in between 8 degree 4 minutes northern latitude and 37 degree 6 minute north. And longitudes are 68 degree 7 minutes east and 97 degree 97 degree 25 minutes east. In between these two latitudes, in between these two longitudes, India is located. Okay. Now we will see the boundary of India. See, it has water boundary. This is the coastal boundary. This is the frontier boundary. It is the frontier boundary. See, coastal boundary of India is coastal frontier. Coastal boundary about 7,516.6 kilometers. See, coastal boundary starts from Gujarat, from here. See here, Gujarat to West Bengal. This is about 6,100. 6,100, including Andaman Nicobar here. Including Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep, totally 7,506 kilometers. Okay. Which state has longest coastal line? Yeah, Gujarat. Gujarat has longest coastal line. Which state has second longest coastal line? Here, Andhra Pradesh, Sarkar coast, 972 kilometers. This is about coastal line. Here it will divide into east coast, west coast. East coast, west coast. West coast has 5 states. East coast has 4 states. Now we will see frontier line, means which has boundary with land, which has boundary with water. Coastal means water, frontier means land. So it started from Rajasthan to here up to Tripura. So this is about 15,200 kilometers. 15,200 kilometers. Which country has longest boundary with us? Yeah, exactly. The Bangladesh has longest boundary with India. Longest boundary with India. So in this frontier line, we have our neighbor countries. What countries? Neighbor countries. How many neighbor countries there? 8 neighbor countries there. So one by one we will see here. See from here Pakistan. Pakistan is the neighbor country. And next year Afghanistan. Afghanistan sharing with only one state here. Jammu Kashmir. Okay. And Afghanistan. Next China. Third one. This second one. First one. Nepal. Fourth one. Bhutan. Fifth one. Myanmar. Sixth one. Bangladesh. Seventh one. Sri Lanka. Eighth one. So these are the neighbor countries. Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. These are our neighbor countries. Here extension of from north to south 3214 kilometers. Extension of west to east 2933 kilometers. So here one line dividing India vertically. Which line it is? IST, Indian Standard Time. 82 degree 30 minute eastern longitude. So 82 degree 30 minute eastern longitude is known as Indian Standard Time, which equally dividing. Actually India located 30 longitudinal length, 30 latitudinal length. So 30 longitude means from here to here 15 longitudes, from here to here 15 longitudes. Okay, in between this IST located. Why? Because to avoid time confusion, this IST located middle of the India. We have make it India Standard Time as 82 degree 30 minutes because it is passing through middle of the India. That's it. Because from Arunachal Pradesh, this is Gujarat. Year to year we have time difference 2 hours. Why? Because 2 hours time difference there. Why? Because 30 longitudes there. You know each longitude 4 minutes. So 120 minutes means 2 hours. So we have time difference Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat 2 hours time difference there. For that, to avoid time confusion, we are taking the middle one as our standard time, Indian Standard Time, that is 82 degree 30 minute eastern longitude. This is India's location and land boundary, water boundary, neighboring countries, and through which states Indian Standard Time is passing. See, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh. 5 states. Through here, one more line we will see latitude. Tropic of Cancer. Yeah, this is Tropic of Cancer. This Tropic of Cancer, also known as 23 and half degree northern latitude, is known as Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. So Tropic of Cancer is passing middle of the India. So through which states it is passing once we see. So see, this is Gujarat. So Rajasthan passing like this. This is Rajasthan. Madhya Pradesh first one, second one, Madhya Pradesh third, Chhattisgarh fourth, okay, and Jharkhand fifth, and West Bengal sixth, Tripura seventh, Mizoram eighth. Total our Tropic of Cancer passing through 8 states. Indian Standard Time passing through 5 states. Coastal line, which states, how many states has coastal line means 9 states. East coast 4 states, west coast 5 states. Frontier line 15,200 kilometers. Longest frontier shared by Bangladesh. Thus, one more country, this Sri Lanka. Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is a country which has in waters, which is the neighbor country to us in waters. And there is a place which has situated in, this is the Kanyakumari. This is the Kanyakumari. These are Andaman Nicobar situated in water, three places. Okay, thank you.